breakout, you knew it wasn't going to come back.
Right. What's a breakout?
Breakout is when it hits the resistance line and it surpasses the resistance line, and then it maintains. The resistance line turns into support, and that means now that you've established a new level of support, and people jump in basically.
Got you.
Good morning, everybody.
Morning. Morning.
Good morning.
Trizzy,
Yeah, what's up?
do you think we're going to come back to do a little retracement?
I'm looking at the 1 hour. If you look at your 1 hour 200 MA, I don't think it's gonna.
It's looking way too bullish.
Yeah, the 1 hour. The 1 hour is what you should be looking at to know where Bitcoin is going. For what I'm saying, it's trying to stay above. It's already above the 200 MA.
Yeah.
It's now clinging to the 9 MA. So if it pushes above 5,200, we'll be going up from there. That was the highest point it got to yesterday.
Yeah. Shit, man.
Yeah.
What's BTC going in?
Bro, hi, I'm new to this group. I was listening to you since 15-20 minutes. You're talking very well. Can you suggest me any trading strategy to trade Bitcoin on leverage?
Oh, you're too close to your mic. You're not too audible, comrade.
Oh, okay. Am I audible now?
Oh shit! Have you guys watched the BTC dominance chart?
How's it like?
Sorry?
Not good
How's
for
it
all,
like?
yeah?
Oh, I can't hear you guys.
How is it like?
How is it like? It's looking like alt season's definitely coming in.
Really, yeah?
Yeah, it's good. Man.
Wow.
How do you figure that out, bro? The alt season. Isn't it like something above 60, no?
Yeah, so when the Bitcoin dominance drops, that means the money's flowing out of Bitcoin into altcoins. That means you get an altcoin season. And when Bitcoin dominance goes up, it means the money from the altcoins are flowing out of the altcoins and into BTC.
Got you. Where do you figure that out?
Trading view.
Yeah, so if you look at the dominance chart, it's always a good chart.
Where is it on TradingView? I'm on BTC.
BTC, like the way you search for other coins, just type BTC.D.
BTC.D, yeah?
Yeah, search for it.
Right.
It's going to show you the chart.
Okay, yeah, got the chart. Right. And then what, the line... so the way it's going down, below 60?
Yeah. I think it would have a bounce on previous support.
Sure.
61.32.
What do you boys reckon about ETH at the moment here?
Bro, what, long term or short term?
I reckon long term.
Bro, long term, yeah. You know when ETH 2.0 comes out?
Yeah, it's going to fly.
Think of all the coins that are now aiding ETH and helping ETH with the gas fees and this and that.
Yeah.
When ETH 2.0 comes out, it will eliminate all of those issues.
Gotcha.
And what will happen to those coins that only have the existence of helping Ethereum? Most likely, in my opinion, they would vanish. Why the fuck would you need something that's already been solved now?
Right.
So we should be looking at ETH at 10 grand, possibly.
Right. Yeah, and if you look 10 years down the line, that's where you're really going to make the money. Like, yeah, it's $1,000 now. Yeah, you make money off your altcoins, but always remember the main two characters of the cryptocurrency world, which is Bitcoin and Ethereum. You always Bitcoin and Ethereum.
Got ya. I mean, I'm more dominant in Bit at the moment on my portfolio, and I'm just thinking that Bit, yeah, it's obviously going to climb up, but it's not going to fucking do what ETH is going to do, is it?
You know,
What?
ETH takes the pattern of Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin moves, if we study the two charts, they look a little similar.
Well, what I mean is that they reckon that ETH is going to like what 5x from what it is now, yeah.
Yeah.
But Bit won't 5x from now by the time ETH has, no.
No, I don't think.
So the gains on ETH is better, no.
Yeah, it's better. I think.
So it might be better to put more money in from Bit into ETH at the moment, no?
It just splits. It just do a percentage.
The split between them, you reckon?
Yeah.
Thanks, Chris. Because ETH's still cheap at the moment, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really cheap.
Like the potential ETH has. Like in 10 years' time-
Anybody holding ETH before the 2.0, it's making a very good investment.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm stronger in Cardano than I am ETH, and that really paid off in the last little ramble.
Cardano on the third position is also very, very good fundamental wise.
It's like having Yahoo, Google, and Bing.
Yeah.
My younger brother has been holding Cardano since for some time now. He called me yesterday. He said he wants to sell. I said, "Why are you selling? Don't sell that thing. Just keep it. Don't sell."
Because the picture and the future. Because
he said he wants to move everything to Bitcoin. I said, no, you shouldn't do. It's not too good for an advice. Just hold your Cardano. You've been holding when it was very low. So why you want to sell it now?
Yeah, of course. Wait, one question. See some of these coins on CoinGecko, like if you go to the 24-hour, get percentage, some of them got like 8,600% gain, yeah. But when you look at their market cap, they got no market. Is that just some shit coin that's just a scam?
No, it means it's a new coin in the market. There's not enough information on the coin.
I'm with you.
And because there's a low volume of trade, if you put in big money into it, it pushes the price up. And when you sell it, it falls sharply.
Got you. I'm getting all my questions asked this morning. This is great.
Bro, whatever questions you have, just ask him.
Yeah, man, safe. I asked Raymond for a little one-on-one, innit? Fucking sort him out a bit of bread. He said, yeah.
Did you give it?
He said, yeah. He said, yeah. But I'll shout him out when it's a good time for him to do it. Just pick his brain a bit. I like to pick yours as well, NG. If you get like a little half an hour, so and I'll swing you something, bro.
I'll give you all the information that I know, and I'm new to this, bro. Don't think I know everything.
Oh, really? Yeah.
Yeah, I started in. I knew about cryptocurrency in 2017.
Yeah.
But didn't invest into it, and then 2020, when March happened, I started reading from March to September.
Nice.
And then September is when I made my first investment.
Oh, wicked. That's still a good time, though.
Yeah. Bro.
Because in February it exploded, didn't it?
Bro, like it was explosive. From September onwards, coins were doing a madness.
Oh, really? Yeah.
Yeah, bro, you could have picked up ETH for what, 80 quid in March?
Wow.
Yes, mate.
Mad.
Yeah.
One of my pals has bought. He bought Bitcoin at 40 quid, and he's still got it.
Fuck, you know.
He's crazy. He's like, yeah. He goes, oh, I'm not going to sell it. He's like, you're a G.
Yeah, I wouldn't, bro. If you look at the past history of Bitcoin, yeah, you're gonna have the bear market. Yeah, it's gonna come down again. People are gonna shit about it. Oh, look, we told you so. But then, historically repeating itself, it's only doing more and more numbers.
Yeah, 100%.
And this, as the system evolves from a cash system to a cashless system, you're just gonna see these numbers rise and rise and rise.
Of course. The only thing that might be against its side is the energy efficiency issues, but I mean, they can't tell other countries what to do. There's no one's going to tell China what to do.
Yeah. Bro,
No
I
one.
think China are going to overtake America in the economy system.
100, mate, they probably already have.
Bro, so they brought out a virus here, fucked everyone, and they came out, what, 6% on top on the economy?
Yeah,
Absolutely mad.
yeah.
Strategic.
Very, very, very strategic.
I mean, listen, China are ruthless. Don't get it twisted. I mean, so America.
They don't fuck
that's-
about, bro.
That's
Don't fuck
the
about.
word. They are ruthless. I work with them, so I know
Yeah.
them very well.
It's built into their motto, isn't it? It's like that's the problem that might fuck Bitcoin up, because it's built into their motto. If they can make $5 from you now rather than $20 over a long period, they'd rather take the $5 now than see you as like, you know, a long-term customer and make $20 over in the future. Does that make sense?
Yeah, yeah.
That's
So
in their motto. That's
work on
literally
repeat
in them
customers. They work on just taking it there and then.
there and then. They'd rather get as much out of you now. So that's like, see, when they dumped all that Bitcoin into the Bitcoin pool.
Oh, yeah. What, F2 pool?
You know, they dumped about 14,000 Bitcoin in it all at once.
Yeah, is it F2 pool that made the dump?
I think so.
Yeah, yeah.
Actually, literally what their motto is like. They couldn't give a fuck. They'll just do it quickly there and then to get to there. You know?
Guys, look out for XRP breakout. Possible
XRP,
breakout.
are you still holding
I
it?
love XRP.
Do
I
you?
love XRP on break.
Look at the 1 hour chart.
I'm not holding it in the XRP. It's a bit too volatile. Isn't XRP just a bit like fucking Dogecoin?
Yeah, I don't hold any, but I just trade it from time to time.
Very volatile.
They win their case. Oof. They're
It'll
gonna
blow.
get pumped.
Guys, what do you think? When do you think it's a good entry point to ENJ?
What, as a trade, or are you holding?
No, trade.
Hmm.
Guys,
They're uptrend right now.
ENJ is currently at 0.78 cents, and I think it would still,
It can come down to 70 cents.
no, what I'm seeing here, I think it would go up rather to 0.97, going by golden ratio. And if you look at your MACD, switch to your MACD daily. It's very bullish.
Oh, you're looking at the daily.
What?
You're looking at the daily.
Yeah, daily will give you a better view of where the trend will move in the longer term. Then if you look at the lower time frame, it's telling you what's happening presently. Maybe you want to go short, you want to go long, but on the long term, it's going to go up. Look at your MACD daily.
Okay, so the cross just happened.
Yeah, that means it's, yeah,
in
it's very
1st of March.
Yeah, it's very bullish sign. So if it's mostly when these crosses happen on the 1st of a month, it usually go higher throughout that month. So if you hold it for 30 days, you get something else.
All right. I'll be right back, guys. I just have to take a call.
All right.
Drizzle, you talk about Cardano, huh?
Yeah. What about it? Are you holding?
Yeah, I hold some. I have both by 20 cent 30 cents and by $1.20, but not so much.
Okay. For Cardano, as long as Bitcoin is bullish, I think it's gonna do far. It's gonna go
Yeah,
higher.
it too.
Hello. Yeah, good morning.
Live on. Good morning.
Good
Good morning,
morning.
guys. Good morning, guys. Please, I just woke up and
Good morning.
yeah, I just woke up and I don't know what's going on. Is this a good time to actually go into the market now, or I have to be patient? I don't know what.
It depends on what you want to get. What are you looking at?
A short time.
No, what coin are you looking at?
Flying Souls, your mic is not so clear. I don't know.
Okay, I mean, I just woke up here and I don't know what's going on. I don't know what has actually happened in the last few hours or few minutes.
What have you
And,
looked at so far?
I woke up with 48 to 71 earlier, but I stepped back and now I saw 49.
You mean Bitcoin?
Yeah, Bitcoin. I'm talking about Bitcoin.
Yeah, if you're looking at Bitcoin, are you looking at your chart?
Yeah, I'm currently looking at it right now.
Okay, if you switch to your 1 hour and you have your 200 MA,
Okay.
you will see the price has been bouncing on that level for the past almost 9 to 10 hours now. And the current candle is actually pushing above, and we have a little volume coming in. And the MACD is also looking positive for the daily. So there's a possibility of the price going up this week. It might not be today, but this week possible. Maybe 2 or 3 days from now, we might get higher than this.
Okay.
But along the line, we'll have some little pullbacks, and it goes up, pull back, and it goes up. You just do it like this. See it this way. If it goes up 1%, it pushes up 2%. It goes down 2%, it pushes up 4%. That's how the trend usually happens.
Okay.
Because on the long term, we are bullish. So
Okay, I'll take
that's
note of that. Thank you. Thank you very much.
how.
All right. Thank you, guys.
Good morning, guys. What about Litecoin?
Litecoin, LTC. What do you think about Litecoin? What do you think about Litecoin?
I think he's rising.
Yeah, if you look at Litecoin with a golden ratio fig, you see Litecoin is on a very, very low, and your MACD is converging, which is a very bullish. Let me look at the 4 hour. 4 hour is also very good. So if you are picking Litecoin now, you are picking it up while it's still resting. So when the rally for altcoin starts, there's a possibility of you making enough profit for it. Currently, Litecoin is 182, and there's a higher chance of you getting it up to 249 range, 240 range. So it's a good entry for now.
Okay, thanks.
Yep.
Drizzle.
Yep.
Do you reckon it's a good time now to split ETH and like I'm more bit dominant? Do you reckon now's a good time to split into ETH or wait till it drops a bit? Or it might not drop because of the rally, right?
Let me look at it.
Thank you.
USDT. It might still move from here. It's still low. If you're holding, it's still low.
Yeah.
It needs to get back to 2K before we can know the next step. It has to get to 2K first.
So if I was to split now, it's not a bad time?
No. Still hold. Hold what you have.
Hold. Don't do anything.
No.
When would be a good time to split then if it drops?
when it goes up. For now, I think it's going to go back up to 2K if Bitcoin moves this week.
No, what I mean is, I've got more in Bit than ETH, and I want to diversify between the two.
Okay, you want to get more ETH?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a good time to get.
Yeah, to do it.
Yeah.
Wisely, I sell ADA and buy Litecoin or not?
Litecoin is good. Litecoin is still sleeping. It's better to get the coin when it's sleeping, when it's on a resting state, not when it's on when the train is moved. When you try to jump on the train, you get crushed. So now it's waiting for passengers to get in on board. So that's the best time to purchase whatever crypto you're getting. Not when it's pumping, you want to rush in.
And what about
So
ADA?
ADA has been rallying for some time. I think they have a major announcement coming up. I don't know when. But fundamental wise, ADA is a very good coin. In future, it's going to go up as long as Bitcoin stays up.
Okay, is it wisely to sell ADA now and buy Litecoin?
Litecoin is low. I think it's good.
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome.
Reckon Uniswap's good to hold. Triz, do you reckon Uniswap is better to hold?
Yeah, Uniswap, good project. It's good.
Yeah.
Hi, Chizo. Do you think it's going to drop back 43 for Bitcoin?
See, 43 was the lowest it went on Sunday from my time.
Yeah,
And
because
it's already pushing up. So the indicators for the daily is not saying it's going down soon. So I don't think it can get there now.
because I was thinking about a double bottom before going up.
If you look at if you are using 200 MA,
What do you think doesn't matter? Market doesn't care about your opinion.
if you look at the 4-hour chart and you have your 200 MA, just check how the price has reacted to that moving average in the past and compare it to what happened in the last 3 days. Just check it and tell me what you see.
Whoever said market doesn't care about you, I like you, man.
What?
I don't know, there's a guy who spoke before you. He was talking. He said something. Who was it?
Batman.
Whoever it was, that was super funny. Because it's true.
Market doesn't care how you feel.
Exactly. Market doesn't care about you. Simple.
Oh, that was me.
Chizo, or what do you think about BNB? going to hell.
Guys, what do you think about alpha?
Before.
I think you guys should do some TA on these coins and let's discuss it. Let's not talk about how we feel about any kind of coin. You know? We look at the charts, then we can see how or what's happening.
Trizzy. Yo, Trizzy. Trizzy, you there? No.
Hello, can you hear me now? Hello? Can anybody hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, man.
Okay, I've been speaking. I don't think I have to end the call and get back in.
Trizzy, did you do one-on-ones training?
What?
Did you do one-on-one training?
I used to do, but when COVID started, I had to stop seeing people one-on-one. I usually do it on Zoom sometimes.
Me and Simon are looking for new mentors.
Okay. Actually, what I do is TA therapy.
Where did you learn TA from?
I learned it over the years and time. I spent so much time and money on it. I registered for some courses. I did some YouTube, self-training, and the likes. I learn every day. Actually, I didn't stop. I do it every day.
Mm-hmm.
TA is a continuous learning process. You can't say you're learning TA and maybe after 1 year you're done. It's a very, very broad field. You get. So there are so many indicators, but you have to get familiarized with the ones that works for you, at least 2 or 3 that you use consistently.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So many indicators.
You know, when you first started, Trizzy, did you take any losses?
Oh, I lost money. Yes.
All traders at start lose money, you know.
I traded. I didn't know anything about TA. I just trade based on the name. I started by holding. Even when I was holding then, I didn't do much of research on them. I just look at, oh, this looks nice. The name is juicy. I buy into it. Some projects run away with our money. Some just from what their value they turn to zero. So it's crazy. Then the ICO days now. You know the ICO days. Every day new coins comes out.
Yeah.
We invest in them before you know the money is gone. But now they had to stop the ICO stuff because of too much scam.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we took the knives falling. But things are stable now. I think there's a bit of regulated way of doing the ICO stuff.
Yeah, but thing is, on Uniswap, it's still not regulated. Anyone can create coins and create scam coins.
Yeah, Uniswap, I think. I've not really gone looking into all those new coins like that. My focus is usually on top 10, sometimes top 20,
Mm.
then few DeFis. So many coins there. So how many you want to look at? You can't look at all. So you need to streamline to the ones that have been there for the years, not the ones that are just coming out, and maybe after some few years you won't hear about them again. You don't have access to the websites, no one to run to when things go bad.
Yeah, I think the best way to accumulate thing is if you love just hoarding and accumulating coins, the best way to do it is once the coin has gone above your profit margin to what you're happy with, take out your initial investment, put it in another coin. Then
Yes, and
that will give you a free ride.
that's a very good option.
Hmm. So that's what I do now.
Yeah. So what I do, actually, I pick some coins to trade based on how the chart is looking like. So
Yeah.
when the price goes up, I usually sell all. But if it's among top 10, top 20, I live. But any other one that has this maybe below top 20, I don't usually hold them.
Yeah. But there's some good new projects that come out that are not even the top 100, but you have to know about cryptocurrency and how it works to see whether that's going to be a good potential future coin.
I know, it requires a lot of time and energy
Oh,
to
yeah.
do research and all this. You can't look at all. You can only get advices from people that have looked at them.
Yeah.
They'll tell you what they've seen about it. I didn't really know about cake and all this one each like maybe last month until you guys started discussing it. Have you
Yeah.
gotten cake? Have you gotten cake? I was like, okay, let me even see what cake looks like. I got some before the Bullrun started. So
Hmm.
so it's good to be here actually to get more information.
Yeah. When I got cake, they didn't even have it in USDT. It was through BNB. So I had to trade some of my BNB for cake.
No, I think it's done well. Someone was asking about BNB before I was not able to respond because of my mic. I think BNB, it's it might pick up from here, but it's not too certain yet. There's no confirmation yet for the move. Today, I think it's trying to stay above 250. It might make okay. If Bitcoin actually moves, this coin will move. There's no doubt about that. The 30 minutes is looking good. The MACD 30 minutes for BNB is looking good. So there's a high chance it might go higher today. 15 minutes also is good. 5 minutes is good. 1 minute is good. BNB looks good today, I think. It might go higher than 255 today. I think it's starting to pick up anyway. BNB. If you look at the guy who asked about BNB, check your 1 minute BNB. Is actually getting higher highs presently. It might go higher than 255 today. If you are doing long term, I think it's good.
Four on 1572. Then we can see the uptrend coming.
in 2 days to test this area.
NJ, are you there, bro?
Wait, NG,
Yeah, I'm here.
are you do you wanna share that lesson with man like Raymond?
Yeah.
You on that, yeah?
Yeah, of course, bro.
All right,
Every
cool.
day's a
So
learning day, bro.
you know that, innit? And that's why I said I'd chuck Raymond some dough.
Yeah, I'll jump in. I'll send him some chain link.
Yeah. What's that? He is on it.
Yesterday, I don't know who said it. Yeah, he's like,
Yeah.
Raymond, you should charge for your services. He's like, I'm always open to tips.
Ha ha ha! Of course, man. They're like, time is money, man.
Bro, bare people made money from his signals.
What are you talking about?
I asked him anyway, so I'll try and get like a decent UK time, like after 6 or something, right?
Yeah. I'm about 24/7, bro. I work from home.
Oh, wicked. I'll wait to respond.
You know, Carrasco. Joe Simon.
Yo.
Do you know Carrasco? The guy that comes on with his charts.
Carrasco. The Russian guy.
Yeah. The one who
He's
posts
good.
his charts on the groups every
And
time.
he's always talking about the golden ratio.
Yeah. He's addicted to that. He had a one-on-one with Raymond, and look how far he's come.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, Raymond's got some juju power, bro.
Yeah, he's patient, isn't it? And the thing is, because he's from Ghana, so like money goes a long way out there. So every
100%.
little penny counts. Over here, we're like, it's only a tenner, it's only a score. But it's silly, man. That's a way to fucking lose money.
Bro, in this game, yeah, the money comes out from the impatient hands to the patient hands, innit?
That's a good point, man. That's a good point. True, man. I have to learn patience, and I'd rather learn from the most patient person in here.
Yeah.
It's better than paying one of these YouTube guys, like, you never actually have an interaction.
Bro, with a lot of the YouTube guys,
yeah,
what they do is, so before they actually come online and talk about a coin, they've purchased the coin. Yeah, and then they'll give a signal, like, BitBoy.
No, I think so.
Yeah, so what he does is, he'll buy a coin, he'll pump in, like, let's say 10,000 or whatever.
Yeah.
He'll give a signal out, talk about the coin, say how good it is and this and that. People will FOMO into it, buy it, pump the price up by 100%. He'll take out his profit.
Yeah, I got you. Yeah, sick.
Carrasco just messaged me, I'm here.
Wait, stop that. NG, do you spend all your profits on crepes?
Did you say something?
Yeah, do you spend all your profits on crepes?
Nah, bro. I started the crepes from £100.
Oh, no.
Yeah, I just picked bro, today I got bare lucky, Sneakers dropped a dunk. It's called,
do you trade them as well?
Bro, I just sell them, innit?
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so I got my own collection, obviously. I wear Jordans here and there, and I wear Yeezys.
Do you sell them on eBay?
Yeah, eBay, Depop.
Nice.
Well, if you want to get into it, let me know, innit? I'll hook you up from A to Z.
Oh, I ain't got the storage for that, man. I ain't got the time.
Bro, it's not even that. It's like mainly entering raffles, isn't it?
Right.
Because the UK is a raffle-based system. You get your first come, first serve, but majority of the hyped creps are always a first come, first serve. If you win it, you win it, and if you don't, you don't. Like
Right.
today, there was a dunk collaboration that came out. It was hyped up. They're hyped up.
Yeah.
You buy it for £100, and I just checked the market is going for 450.
Serious?
Yeah.
Fucking hell.
Literally 2-minute job, bro. You just enter the raffle. If you win it, you win it.
Yeah, that's sick. That's too much. Yeah, I'm trying to get my head in as many parts as possible. The thing with the crepe thing, I was probably not wearing it.
Bro, trust me, when you have over 100 crepes here, you're not going to wear all of them.
That's true. You know what? Whenever I go and buy one pair of crepe, they get destroyed. But when I buy 3 in a row, they last longer because you wear like one on alternate days and shit.
Now, imagine if all of your garms here that you wear are free.
Oh, the garms are what, bro?
Free.
Ah, yeah, that's it.
So, like, a lot of resellers, you'll see them wear, like, Gucci, Supreme, this, that. Majority is just free, innit? Because you bought it for retail. Like, for me, for example, some Jordans, the biggest amount of Jordans of one style I've had was 82. So I bought 82 of the same crepe. Yeah. I bought them, averagely worked out to be £115 per pair. I bought them from this guy. £115 per pair. If I kept them till now, I would have made 80 times. $24 bags is the total.
What?
115 times 80. 24. It's 9,200. Profit is 14.8k, and that's 4 months old.
That's sick.
This is what I'm
I
saying.
didn't know that.
Yeah, once you look
there
into
are some
it.
kind of fanatics out there.
Yeah, it's all about Jordans, isn't it? The hype is there.
Yeah, it's true.
Yeah, so some crepes I've got, I've got off-whites, this, that, the other. Well, at one point I was thinking to get rid of all of them, put them in crypto. Oh, doubled all of it in like, what, 2 weeks, 3 weeks?
Is that what sort of gains you take in a day? Crypto? If
What, in
I'm
crypto?
asking. Yeah.
Well, I don't take any gains right now. I just
Yeah, I
leave
know.
it
Still
there.
waiting there, isn't it?
Yeah, I just leave it.
Could you not do stopping, shorting, or scalping or anything?
Yeah, I've got my trade set up. I'll try and do $100 a day.
That's all right, isn't it?
Yeah, not too greedy.
Yeah, that's the way forward, isn't it?
Yeah, if you get more, you get more. But once I get to $100, I'll put a stop loss and then I'll just sleep. So yesterday with Ethereum, once I hit 100% actually yesterday, I just put a stop loss and I went to sleep, and I woke up today, didn't even hit my stop loss.
Gotcha. Yeah, I might need one lesson with Raymond on myself to catch up with you. And I asked him for 2 in it, and then we'll do a second one or so.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, because I'm way behind you.
Nah, not that far.
No, trust me, man. The problem I had with stop losses the other day is I set one up for bit drop, and then it started going up again. I couldn't get back in, so I lost a little bit.
Oh, yeah.
But I don't know how to do the buyback in, but should be doing that, innit?
You do a buyback on a pullback. That's the best time.
What's the pullback?
Pullback is like, you know how yesterday we rallied up on Bitcoin?
Yeah.
To, let me check the charts on the hourly. So, what's the date today? Oh, I might as well do it on the daily. What's the daily saying? Okay, so you see yesterday how we touched 50k.
Yeah.
And then we came down to 48k.
Yeah.
That's what you call a pullback.
When it just drops. So what is that? People sell off?
Yeah. So, no, that's when, if you sold your position, that's the position you'd look to get into, because the price went all the way back up to 50k again.
It went back up.
Yeah. So from 50K, we had a pullback down to 48.2.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that would be your position to rebuy back in.
I'm with you.
And then you would ride it all the way back up to 50K.
Got you. But you can't predict where it's going to fall back, innit?
With TA, you can have a rough indication. It's never 100% that yes, it's going to stay there, but you can see what it's going to do when it gets to that position.
What, the indicator?
Yeah.
So when you buy it,
not indicators with TA. So you see where the support is, where the trend is going. If the trend is on an upward momentum, then you know a pullback will come. It will bounce off some support, and then it will continue its way up.
Right.
And one thing I learned from Raymond: never buy into a green candle.
Right. I'm with you. I need to know what the candles are as well, actually. Never buy into a green candle. I can't wait to speak to him. Good learning, man. I was saying the other day, man, it's like, imagine studying money at 35.
Well, you just think of like years from now, innit?
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm thinking.
Let's say even 50% of the population get into cryptocurrency. You'd be laughing.
Yeah, it's true.
Like, imagine the people who got in 2010.
Yeah, they're laughing.
They must have gone through a shitstorm, but now they're laughing.
And the people who got in last week when the big dive happened, 2 weeks ago, they must have been screwed.
Yeah, oh, yeah.
They just get in and it drops. They're like, what? No, my house is gone.
Yeah, but then if people got into from before yesterday, they'd be laughing now.
That's true. I got to bounce, man. Got to do some work. NG, all the best, brother. Speak to you
You
later.
too, bro.
Safe.
BTC just formed a new candle on the 1 hour, and it's looking positive. Actually, it's trying to stay out of the 200 MA line that which it has been holding for the past 8 hours or 9 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 hours. So I think this is 11th hour now on trying to stay up. In the past 3 hours, it has been trying to push up. It's a good sign for today. We hope it holds this position and continue to test 50K again, then continue from there on the upside.
Do you think it's better to put in lots of little shorts or little longs instead of a big long? Because you know these exchanges, they might see a huge amount of longs or short and try to stop it out. So if you're looking to go long, do you reckon it's good to split it up at different stages?
Split up between what?
So say, for example, you've got 1,000 BSV and you split it up into hundreds. So, 100 long, 100 long, 100 long at different prices.
Is that your strategy?
Well, because if the exchange sees that you put 1,000 coins in long, they might try and dump the price on you, right?
I don't know if the exchanges does that. I'm not sure. All you need to do is do your TA and play by your TA. Then you put a tight stop loss in case you think the market is going against you. Your stop loss is very important. But for now, the market is on a bull trend, so I don't think shorting is a very good option for long term.
Yeah, it's just an example.
Longing is safer for now. Longing is safer than short.
I haven't got any. I haven't got any positions in now. I'm just holding at the moment.
Okay. If you are looking to enter, look for a long, not short.
Yeah.
How
Power seller shop. Your mic. Can you mute your mic, please? The background noise is so loud. Power seller.
No problem.
I thank you very much.
Hello, guys.
Asibek.
Yo,
Halikop.
yo, Trizel.
Are you Russian? Are you Russian?
I'm not from Russia, but I know some Russian.
Okay. You know some Russian. You know some Russian.
No, I can speak a little bit. I'm not from Russia.
Where are you from?
Uzbekistan.
Okay. Is it not former? It's still under the Soviet Union of those days, right?
Sorry?
It's I mean, you know the Soviet Union.
Yes. We're like Soviet Union, but like I live in Japan, so like I've been in Japan for 10 years.
Okay. That's good.
So any idea about BTC? Like, is it gonna pump or dump? Like, any idea?
BTC
Like,
is BTC. If you look at the 1 hour BTC chart and you are looking at the 200 MA, it's now trying to stay above that level. So that's a good sign for BTC.
So it's good side, right?
Yes, on the upside.
That's nice. Thank you, man.
All right.
I was saying, fellas.
On BTC, I think we need to break out on 50K region because there was a sell-off when it got to 50K.
You mean like 52K?
Yes, when it got to 50K yesterday, it got to 50,100. It sold.
Yeah, it was like it was not 50, 52. It was like about 50 point like
5400, 5400.
Yeah, that range. Let's just say 50K range. So it sold off, and I think it's attempting to test that position again. So if we get like 2 or 3 tests, and we get a final breakout, that's what we are looking out for right now. 2, 3 tests, then breakout.
I hope it will break out.
But you guys don't think about it. What the March is years before always a dump month.
Yes, looking at the market presently, there's no sign of dump yet. So yeah, the March might not happen. So if it's coming, we'll see it.
No, I don't talk about yet, but I think maybe it's a consolidation month.
I didn't get that.
I'm long in Tether, so if you see any sign of a dump, please wake me up.
Yeah, I'm on long also. I've been on long from 44, 200, and I'm trying to let it get to 50, 52 before I close my position. But I'm closing to hold I want to close the margin trade, so I won't keep paying for hourly fees on my exchange. But I'm holding. On the long term, it's going up. I'm trying to accumulate more Bitcoin actually.
Yeah,
On your side. What?
Sound like having a good
This
strategy there.
time on your side, I'm going in crypto 2016 till 2017. I sell it on 60,000 euros, $20,000. And after that, I have waiting. And in March, I don't buy. I'm buying in September.
Okay. But
March.
the overall trend is still bullish. So it's good. It's still positive.
Yeah, for this kind, I'm with you.
Yeah.
What would be a negative signal for you?
A negative signal is when I look at my 200 MA and I notice that is on a bigger time frame, like from 4 hours, the 4-hour time frame. If the price is falling below the 200 MA, I would short my position until I see a very good reversal that is from the previous high. But for now, it's still above, so I will stay in the long.
Nice.
The 200 MA on the 4-hour is a very good indicator to let you get a very early buy or sell signal, combined with your MACD. Because one indicator is not enough. At least combine 2 or 3. 3 is a very good confirmation. I usually use the moving averages. I have 4 set up. If the price is above all 4 of my moving averages, it shows that market is very bullish. Then if my MACD is also diverging in the upside, that's another very good indicator. That's 2 out of 3. Then if the RSI if you're using RSI, if your RSI is around the 33 or below 50, is also good. But when your RSI is around 50, it indicates overbought. So the price might come down a little when the market is on the uptrend on a long term. So you might want to wait for the RSI to come a little lower, below 50, before you can get it. And that's combining at least 3 to get a very good signal.
Do you have a stop loss in place, or you have your 200 moving average as your sell point?
Okay, the trade I took in on Sunday, based on my time, at 44,200, that's when I got into the market. Currently, we are at 48.9. We are testing 50. My stop loss is like at 44,400. I don't want because why I put it a little higher than my entry. Sometimes BTC can swing down sharply and go back up quickly. So I don't want to get stopped out, then the rally continues. So that's why I usually put my stop loss closer above my entry position, so I don't get stopped out on a very fast uptrend. Because there are some instances where we get flash crashes. Those when your stop loss is high, it knocks you off, then go back. But when you're trying to buy it, that means you are buying in very expensive. That's why I usually move my stop loss close to my entry, so I don't get such kind of instances.
Nice. What was your entry point again?
44,200.
Nice.
Guys, I have very good like Telegram group. They pump like different coins, and they have like 2 million members.
Can you send it to me, please, buddy? DM me.
Sure.
Be careful about pump and dumps because they are like scams.
No.
Let me share my experience about such kind of Telegram groups. You know, we have they might have the general group for, maybe you said about how many people there, 10,000 people. Then they have inner group, like a VIP group, probably a few people, maybe like 10 or 20. They are whales actually. So they may announce that, okay, this coin we are going to pump. But before they make the announcement in the general group, the VIP group already bought into that coin. So they go to the general group and announce to everyone. So by the time they buy in, the price goes up. Those whales will sell the coin and dump on the other guys.
No, like in this.
They will buy before, and then they will sell in 3 minutes of the pump, and they will short.
No, like, so you know what happened?
Risky. It's very risky,
like,
bro.
No, okay, like I understand your point, but like what I mean, like they announce the day to pump the coin, but they don't tell about this coin. So like they say they say like 1 hour left, 20 minutes.
What's the name of the group? It's pump and dump, or there is another one?
Hold on. I'll share on the chat. Hold on.
They will wreck you, my friend.
Yeah, they have like 2 million members, man.
Don't worry about the members.
Like, hold on, like
it's not important. In fact, they make initiatives. So if you invite a number of persons, they will give you the signal before. So you will buy before, and the other members, then they will give them let's say the signal after 10 seconds or a couple of seconds after, and they will sell when the pump goes up.
No, so you can sell it also, like you buy it and you sell it.
You see, if you understand the concept of the market, they have inner groups that will buy earlier, then the 1 million members will buy later. You understand? So the people that got into the market early,
good profit. Yeah, I know.
Of course,
They know this.
It's dangerous. I don't do it. I've done it before. I lost so much money. I stopped.
Okay, like last time, like I saw it
sometimes
like 300%, man. 300%.
And for how long? For 3 minutes, right?
No, like it's just 8 or 9 minutes. So you have to be very,
quick.
like very fast, very quick.
I won't risk it, in my opinion, but you know.
Hey everyone, what's up?
We're going down.
It's gonna be one of those days, huh? Let's check the charts. No, we look good.
Hello guys. I don't know like what is this group about. I actually just joined recently.
Hello.
It's just about talking anything to do with crypto, basically, and charts.
See us through this crisis and lead us to conversion and happiness. Grant all these through
Crypto
our
trading,
Lord
friend.
Jesus Christ.
Okay. Actually like I do invest on crypto, so like Bitcoin is my favorite. So I do invest on crypto too.
Congratulations.
Deliver us always from all danger. Ever bless us.
Welcome to the group.
Yeah, thanks. Okay. So what are you guys discussing about today? Like what is your topic or what is your let's say what are you guys talking about today?
Whether the price is going to go up or down.
Have mercy on us. Divine mercy, have mercy on us. Let us pray.
And every time someone's right, someone's wrong.
nandun na ako sa nagpakalo. Pansagtuan sa kabila, pakikinig. Ano nga ito? Ano, gulo ka nga. Hindi ko na lang gagawin.
Yo, guys, correct me if I'm wrong. Yeah, is that a head and shoulders pattern forming in a 1 hour Bitcoin chart?
I'm looking at the 1 hour. I can't see head and shoulders. I'm seeing a W pattern forming. I can't see head and shoulders on this 1 hour BTC.
Oh, okay, so that's a W pattern. Is that likely to break upwards or downwards?
Yeah, W usually breaks up.
Okay, fair enough.
The M breaks below. W breaks out up.
Okay, I'm with you.
Yeah, it looks like there's another name we call something like this. This kind of scenario we call it double top. That means it tests it the first time, it goes down, and it tests it the second time. Now it's trying it for the third time. The third time usually a strong momentum that can push the price up. So that's why it usually goes up in the W.
Okay, I notice right now it's touching a fib level. So do you reckon that's going to act as a new support?
If it stays above that fib level, it's going to be a support. But now it's trying to break above the fib level, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, if we need a candle to stay above that fib level. So if we see a candle close above the fib level, a second candle closes above the fib level, that is a good indication that it might maintain that level as a new support line. So the price is not expected to fall below that level again.
Okay. Yeah. All right. So overall, it's just very bullish at the minute.
Yeah, very bullish.
All right. Thanks for your help.
All right.
Hello, guys. Anybody there?
Hello, Dr. Abega. Abega, am I correct?
Yeah, Trizzle. How are you, my man?
I'm fine. Where are you from, actually?
I'm from Cameroon, but right now I'm in the Ukraine.
Okay.
Yeah.
How's it going?
We are doing good. We are doing good, man. We are doing good.
Making profits?
Yeah. Making profits. I wasn't available, but I made some profits last night. So now I just came on now, and I'm looking at BTC. I don't know what is happening, Trizzle.
Yeah, we're looking at BCC also. We are looking at the 1 hour chart and 4 hours. On the 4 hour, there's a fib level we need to break. and we've been testing it for the past. If we've been under that level for like, it has tested it like 3 times. So we wanted to break above that
That's the
level.
51,000 level.
It's around 49,
Okay.
49.50K. So if we can stay above 50 and hold for some time, is a good trend for us.
Okay.
We were trying to break that level. So we need we need more volume. So tell your friends and families to buy into Bitcoin so they can push the price up for us.
That's good. That's good, man. So, what's the plan? So, what's the plan on the market today? Are we looking at a short or are we looking at a long?
No, I've been in it long, so I'm holding my position.
Okay, holding
Not
your
yet
position
at
on the long.
not yet on my target. My target is 52 range. I got in at 44,200.
Okay. Okay, that is good. That is good, man. Yeah, I can see we are having in the 4 hour, we are having huge resistance at 50,000. Okay.
Hello, guys. Hello, 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 hello.
Hello.
What up?
I'm cool. On you?
Oh, it's good. I just woke up like 1 hour ago. Beautiful day here. Sun is shining.
Where is that?
Germany.
Okay. It's 11:30 a.m. here.
What?
It's 11:35 a.m. here in Nigeria.
Oh, yeah, we have 11:35 too.
Okay.
Are you longing right now?
Yeah, I'm longing.
Because, like, I'm seeing the setup, and even on the 4 hourly, we have this nice bounce on the EMA, right?
Yeah, and we have a bull flag now.
So, and we have that bull flag breakout, kind of, right?
Yeah, bull flag is positive. It shows the price could still go higher. But
yeah,
we have a golden ratio there. We are staying under it, so we need to break it. Golden ratio and FIB, they usually work together, so that level we need to break. It's a very strong resistance.
Where is it?
It's on 49,861.
49,861. Okay. All right. And what about the RSI? Because it's like going down on the 1 hourly. You think that's bad or?
Oh, for the RSI, if we are still maintaining this price action, that is this bull flag formation, and the RSI is going down, it's good because it will help the RSI resets, then people can buy in, then push it up. So if the RSI is high, there's a tendency of the price going down.
Yeah,
Low RSI is good. It's good. It's a good sign.
But it's only a bearish divergence when you have lower highs in the RSI, but you also have higher highs on the price, right?
Yeah.
And we don't really have that right now because it's like it seems like lower highs on the RSI, right? Or is it?
I'm not looking at the RSI right now. I'm looking at the MACD.
Okay. I mean, on the 4-hourly, it's in the middle anyway, so it's probably fine, I guess.
Yeah.
All right, thanks, dude. I think I'm going along too then. I mean,
all right.
It looks very good.
Yep.
Or maybe just wait for the break of the fib level. What you think?
I think it should
Raphael,
be good.
I think longing now is not the good idea. I think you should wait immediately you get the breakout, maybe at 49,900, then you can get into the market long.
Yeah, if it holds on in that price range above this resistance, is a good
Yeah.
point. Yeah.
Okay. Then I'll just wait for the breakout, I guess. All right.
But the overall trend on the long term is bullish.
Yeah, absolutely.
Trizzle, I'm just a little bit worried because of the resistance, but I'm watching closely. Immediately we break the resistance, I'm getting in for a long.
Yeah, good option.
Yeah.
So right
Just to
now
be on the safe
I'm
side.
also watching the fear and greed index, and it's at
You're watching what?
extreme greed. So maybe it could also pull down a little.
No. You need to update the fear and greed. We've come down, way down. I think we're about 52 or less than that.
No, it was at 38. Now it's at 78 again. But 78 it's extreme greed, but it's not too bad, I guess, because we can just go above 90 easily.
Yeah, the website says it's updated today, so.
I mean, there has been like weeks where you always above 90 fear and greed, just for weeks.
All right. Well, I will keep a look at it. When it goes above the resistance level, I maybe go on a long position.
Sure, but it's a good thing that we reset the fear and greed last week, or like last days, I mean. So
how the fuck did we get so high in just one day?
Because
are you guys
why it got so high in just one day? We had a previous high before this bull run at 42. So the price fell to 43, and that's a very good opportunity to buy into the market. So many people got in at that 43 level because it might not go below 42 logically, going by technicals. If the price goes below 42, it's not a good sign. So by the time it bounced back from 43 to 44, people started getting into the market. That's why we see so much uptrend. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, but that's why I'm thinking it might just go. We might just have another shakeout, right? Another real quick dump, flash crash to shake out some people, and then we go up.
Yeah, if it's gonna go down again, I don't think it's gonna get to 43 again. But
I just bought not too long ago at 48.9. Is that a bad idea?
48.9. It's not too bad, but we are trying to break out of this.
You got to think we just went up like 14%, right? So buying now is kind of like a bit riskier, but I mean, we could continue up after the two pullbacks we just had, right? I'm waiting for 50 to break, like a couple hours above 50, and I'm good. But apart from that, like it's pretty even right now.
We are waiting for the price to stay above 50. If it's staying above 50 for some time, it's good.
I just watched this video, but I mean, I figured shit, like I could just, short it if it breaks below whatever he was saying.
If you are shorting like right now,
Which video on Chart Champions?
new to this, so any advice is fucking greatly appreciated.
I heard you guys are shorting Bitcoin. You said.
I said I was going to short if it breaks below. What is it? I think it was. I have no fucking clue. I gotta rewatch it again.
Be careful because it might. He was talking about last night when it bumps to 50K.
What, were you watching somebody's video? You said.
Yeah, the moon.
Carlos. That's
The moon.
Yeah.
By chance, we get a higher low at around 44, and then we come back up.
Hello guys.
Yeah,
Does anyone
like,
join the
wait.
BSC pod?
To the guy that asked, basically what I was saying is that I purchased at like 49,000 flat, and I'm waiting. And just asked if like buying at 49 was a bad idea.
You just spot bought Bitcoin or what?
Yeah, Bitcoin. I mean, I only put like I think $500.
Nah, man, it's good. I mean,
What's your leverage?
no, he just
I
bought it.
haven't. No.
Oh,
I
if you're
just
not on a
bought
leverage,
Bitcoin.
it's not
I
too
haven't-
bad.
I haven't longed or shorted it.
Nah, dude, just hold it, and if it dips more, just buy more, I guess, right?
If we're going to get a dip or a pullback, it shouldn't go below 45.
Yeah.
45 is a good pullback. Anything below it's not good.
We got that lower support trend line, which is pretty good. Like a nice channel forming on the higher time frames.
Yeah, I'm looking at the 4 hour now.
This is what I got. We get above that blue area, 50K. I'm good to go for the next level.
So if it breaks 50K, it's probably going to go up more, or if it breaks 45, then it's probably going to go down more.
Yeah, I mean, from 50K, you could get like at least 2%, right? Up to like 52 or something, or 4%, right? So, I mean, it could go to 60K from there, but I'll just be taking profit level by level on the way up.
Honestly, if I'm long it at 51 and it goes up to 52, I'll be fucking ecstatic to make like, I don't know, $10 or something.
Are you already in the long, Hamilton?
Hell yeah.
No. I didn't buy a long.
No, I was talking to Hamilton.
Yeah, I'm in cash right now. I'm waiting for 50 to break. A couple hours above 50K, and I'm happy.
Got you.
Yeah, we'll need it to break to 50 and stay above 50. You shouldn't fall below 49 to have a confirmed trend to go up. It has to stay above 50.
Well, I'm the EMA, the upper EMA band is on 58,300, so that should be good, right? If we hold that level.
Yeah, if it holds 50, we can get to 58,300. So we need that 50K support.
Are you guys using Bybit?
I'm using Pionex.
When I don't want to pay tax.
Sorry, what was the website? I'm going to look it up. Didn't quite hear.
What, Eric?
Yeah, what was the website that you said? Because you said that you didn't want to use Bybit because Bybit taxes you.
No, I trade on Pionex. They use bots to trade there. They have bots. You can trade manually, you can trade with bots. Depends on what you want. So I prefer to trade with bots.
I use Bybit for leverage because in the UK you can't use leverage anymore legally, so it's a Bybit job, and then it's Binance for spot.
Yeah, I'm talking about for leverage trading.
What, you can't use leverage legally in the UK?
Yeah, derivatives have been banned. They're kind of loose on it and they haven't enforced it, but I don't really want the tax man saying, hey, fuck you, kind of thing in a couple months' time. So I stick to Bybit.
And I'm literally just finding that out now. I use leverage on Binance all the time.
Yeah, they haven't got rid of it. So I guess, I mean, you could put a claim against Binance, right? But I don't know. I just want to play it safe till I leave the UK.
Where are you going after leaving?
Gonna head to Romania for a few months, then I'm gonna check out Thailand.
Hey man, I want to go to Cambodia and Sri Lanka too. Maybe Thailand. It's an amazing area.
Do you guys do this full time and just make money and travel?
Travel and trade, baby.
Yeah, Thailand.
Of course. I mean, I'm from the UK. I'm in Philippines, and all I do is trade.
That's it, man. Someone's at the airport now. Yeah, I muted him. I muted him. Bro, you gotta push the talk, power, seller shop.
I'm about to graduate in May. Then I'm gonna try to like teach English for the next 3 years in Japan, Korea, Taiwan. But I mean, if I can make money doing this, if I can learn to do this and make money, then
Yeah, any of
start
those
teaching English.
any of those cheap countries, if you want to start, if you really want to learn trading, you've got like maybe 5-10K, then you could live there for a year and really just learn. Like that's what I did. That's what I did. You can like it's like $150 rent a month, right? And you just chill, snowball, and then learn your shit. And then once you get there, then you can go wherever you want, really.
No, yeah. How do you learn technical analysis like from scratch? About me.
I don't know.
You listen to Hamilton and the other guy from Ghana. What's his name?
Just watch my videos, you know.
Raymond.
Hamilton. Oh,
The Raymond, yes.
Are you like
Raymond's
on YouTube now?
Yeah, I've been doing it like a year. I've got like 4.5K subs. Just not really like it's not like I want to be a YouTuber my job, but I see so much shit on YouTube, which is like just go to my affiliate link. When you lose, I get your money. It's like I don't really like that, so I thought I'd get involved and show people what I'm doing. It's going all right.
Yeah, good. Thanks. I'll check it out now. I need to learn. I need to at least find the base. Understand?
Hamilton, can you share your YouTube channel, please?
I don't really want to put it in a moon chat because I'm an admin, so it's kind of like spammy. But if you go to YouTube and just type in Bitcoin beats, I'll come up.
Yeah, good. Like I subscribed already, so I'll check it out.
Nice.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Hey.
How is everyone doing?
Going
Raymond, hello. Mr. Trizzle.
Yeah. Good morning.
Going good. How about you?
Another day. Raphael, how is everything?
Oh, it's good. Beautiful day. I gotta go to the dentist though in 2 hours. So well.
Hey, Raphael, I recognize
Good
you.
luck.
This is nice. This is wholesome.
Yeah.
Just
So
looking at the charts now.
we're just looking for the 50K to break and hold, so we can long.
Good morning. Yeah.
Are
So
you
far,
guys on,
I'm just going through the chat now. So I'm going through the chat. So some few minutes, I will update you guys on what I see. But we're still looking good, though. To be honest, we're still looking good.
I'm seeing a head and shoulders on the 1 hour.
Come again.
Where are you from, Raymond?
I'm from Ghana.
Yo, Raymond,
Yeah.
are you still in the long from yesterday?
Yes, I'm still holding. We are
Oh,
good.
really?
So we are really good. We are good. So.
I mean, we have strong support, I think, here. On the 48,400 level.
I'm coming. I'm going through the chat. So.
To the guys living in like Philippines and Thailand and shit, how long do you, like, how many hours do you put into, I guess, learning this trading stuff and whatnot, watching?
I think it's a continuous journey.
10,000 hours minimum. You need to
Hey, NG.
Yeah.
What's up?
Not much. I put my stop loss yesterday and knocked out.
What's up, Raymond?
Oh.
Raymond, I heard you're giving one-to-one lessons now.
Raymond Sensei.
Yeah.
Is Raymond like, is he the man?
He's the OG.
Brother.
Take us to the moon, Raymond Sensei.
Just a rough ballpark estimate about how long do you guys think until it makes a significant move?
We're in a pretty trappy zone right now. It's just supreme chop for a bit. But if we bounce pretty much on 48, then it can go up a lot higher. But again, I'm waiting for 50.
Thank you.
Hamilton, excuse me, yeah? Are you there? I guess it's off.
All right.
Do you like already have a long, I guess, waiting at 50K? So once it hits, I guess you're in.
Couple hours and like a couple nice candle formations as well. Maybe a little bounce off the 7 SMA would be good as well.
Okay, yeah, so Hamilton, I wanted to ask something. Are you there? Can you hear me?
I'm trying to figure out who's talking.
Okay, it's Bami.
Bro.
It's Bami that is speaking. It's Bami.
Are you bearish? Oh my god.
So that name, I'm gonna change it soon. Like, it's just nothing special. Yeah, so what I wanted to ask you, I see a lot of people online doing longs and taking profits. Is there like a method trick? Is there something I need to understand or see to know that okay, maybe it's time to long? I don't like to have.
Well, everyone's got different chart setups, right? But I'll show you mine, what I'm looking for.
Okay.
Okay, send it in the chat.
Yeah, I put it in the chat now.
Okay, is it the cipher bearish stuff?
That thing, long zone, trap zone, wait zone. Don't short a don't short a bull market.
Oh yeah, I've seen it.
Yeah, I like that chart.
Yeah, it's the simplest way I can explain it. I've also got some other stuff on other charts, but
You are posting them in which group?
the main group.
But I don't really get the long
Thanks.
zone. I don't understand that.
Hey, Beats, the chart that you posted, what exactly should I be looking at here?
Diagonal sloping resistance, which is pretty clear, right? And then you've got the wicks above that and the traps that follow that, which I'll typically call a trap zone, which is usually wicks, but recently we've had a lot of candle closes and then instant reversals into those trap zones. The same with the bottom side as well.
I think the bottom side is not really showing.
I'll zoom out and post it again. Hang on. Oh, and that label is just automatic divergences on multiple indicators. I think it's a free trading view indicator. That's the hourly, so I wouldn't put too much weight on it.
Well, yeah, I hear a lot of people say they don't use indicators for trading. But I feel like they help. At least from the little I know, I feel like they help. Well, and then I follow a lot of YouTubers that use indicators. Well, what do they mean when they say indicators don't work?
All right, I'll post it again now for a little bit more zoomed out. But I'm not just going off that solo, right? I've got like loads of different charts for Bitcoin.
I think I have to pay for like trading view to have these other indicators, right?
There's loads of free indicators on TradingView, but you need a pro account to have more than one indicator on a chart. I have
These
premium.
ones that show the volume on the side, it levels with high volumes. I think that's what they call it. The blue and yellow. Are they free? Is it a free indicator? Oh,
Yeah, I think so.
I think that's not your chart, I guess. I don't know.
That's not mine.
It's not yours. Oh yeah, that's not yours. Sorry about that.
And then the other thing I use is called a logarithmic growth curve, which is basically just from the start of Bitcoin's history, it curves over time. And I've made my own little one that adds some Fibonacci in there, and it plots some really good supports and resistances.
Are you like a Bitcoin maximalist? Like, do you do just Bitcoin or?
I wouldn't say I'm a maximalist, but I have always traded Bitcoin because it's so volatile. When you compare it to something like Forex or stocks, right? It's just 10% a week. Why even leave leverage? If you can figure it out, then like.
No, yeah, but I'm asking about like alts.
Alts. I don't trade alts. I do some TA on it for my videos on Saturdays, but that's just for the audience. I don't really trade it because it's a little bit more unreliable in terms of TA. If a whale just wants to dump it, they can. With Bitcoin, there's a lot more liquidity and a lot more people trading it, so it's going to be a lot more reliable with moves.
Oh, cool.
Also, if you watch the Moon's live stream, he actually kind of talked about that. He mentioned that like altcoins, even though Bitcoin might, be fluctuating a lot, be volatile. The altcoins might not like 100% take after it.
Yeah, I think it's a big question mark now, altcoins, I would say. Obviously, the big ones, the top 10s, the top 20s, they will just get more solid and less volatile. But the smaller ones, as institutions are coming into Bitcoin and the big alts, the smaller ones will be where the whales go. And the whales will keep fucking around with those for the noobs, basically. There's opportunity there, but personally, that's not how I trade. I trade more momentum-based stuff.
Hey, y'all have a good night or good morning, good day, wherever you are. I'm gonna split.
Alright.
Is the chart in the Moon group?
Which chart?
The one you guys are talking about?
Oh, that was quite a long time ago. I was just about to post my growth curve chart. Can't show you guys what I'm doing, but
thanks.
What's the idea behind the trap zone?
It's basically just wicks, right?
Yeah.
So typically you'll have a wick over and then a candle close inside the pattern. And then that would be your fake out or whatever, right? And then you'll draw a trap zone from that wick with a parallel along with the resistance or support. So as you can see, I'll post it again if you guys want.
Yeah.
Hang on.
So in terms of like making a decision, is that basically trap implies that, I don't know, you buy and then suddenly it goes down? Is that what it means?
So me personally, I'm a bit more of a cautious trader. So some people will just trade those breakouts, and if they get stopped out, they get stopped out. But if we're out of that trap zone, we're above all major moving averages, we're looking good, we've got volume, that's my entry. And obviously a retest is great as well.
Okay, so you wouldn't personally, make a trade in that zone whatsoever?
No. So what people teach sometimes is to go from one side to the other. Yeah, I just posted that again if anyone wants to see. But I personally like to trade the breakouts, and when they're confirmed, they're a lot more reliable, and you're going to get a high percentage win rate that way.
Yeah.
But you will be sacrificing profit by doing that.
Okay, because I guess there's a danger of, let's say it breaks out and it doesn't retest, it just shoots on, you know what I mean?
Yeah, so you can see that white line I've got at the top. That's a potential future pattern, which will be the measure move. Basically, if we find resistance up there and we come down to like 50k again, then that's going to be confirmed top, which will make that line a little bit more confirmed, which will make that measure move more confirmed, which can measure out a move up to 62k. And those are the big ones. Those are the ones where if we get up to there, that's a much better long. Right now, this area for me is just designed to take your money, so I'm happy just leaving it chilling.
Right. So for you, once it goes to the edge of the trap zone, you'd probably put a long in, and your target will be the white line.
Yeah, around there. I'd say, around 52, because we've got that horizontal resistance as well. But for this long, I'm mainly looking at my other chart that I posted, the one with all the lines, and then I'll just set take profit each one of those lines. So one at 52, one at 53, one at 54. And I'll split up my position based on how I think those resistances, how strong I think those resistances are, right? So if it's a really strong resistance, I'll take a bit more profit there. And then if it comes down, I'll have my stop loss just below the hourly 55. And then that usually gets a stop loss in profit, which is just a no-lose trade, right? So that's a win.
Cool.
Sorry, I don't mean to interrupt you guys, but Hamilton, what exchange do you?
Bybit, Bybit for leverage, Binance for like 1x.
Gotcha. Oh, cool. Appreciate it.
But when I'm in Thailand, I'll use Binance mainly for little.
Hey ladies, if you want to learn how to trade for a living on a boss day to empower yourself and your finances so that you don't have to rely on anybody else, whether it's a job, a boss, a spouse, or the government.
Yo, NLP, can you mute, bro? I
Yeah,
can hear you.
yes. Hello.
What's up, G?
Hamilton, do you think it's healthier for Bitcoin to consolidate between the 46, 47 at this moment so it can bounce hard?
I have no idea what's going on. Wally?
Yeah.
Hamilton, do you think Ethereum can go below 1300 or no?
I think so.
Hang on, I'm gonna have to mute Marker.
Yeah, do you think Ethereum will be able to go below 1300 again or no? What do you guys think?
No, it's going to retest 1300.
Got a nice measure move in play right now. Could get to 17.
Hello. Hello. Anybody there?
Hey,
hello.
what's up?
Yeah, what exchanger can I get QLR that is reliable?
What?
QLR. Quantum. What's that full name?
You need to check on CoinGecko.
Coin.
And then
No,
you're looking
I mean exchanger. I can't use CoinGecko.
No, but you're going to CoinGecko and looking at the exchanges.
Yeah, I saw like 3 exchanger. I saw Bittrex, but in Nigeria, you need a valid ID card to sign up on Bittrex. So I saw the other one, Coin Tiger. How reliable is that app?
I have
Coin
no idea.
exchanger.
I've never heard of Coin Tiger before.
Okay. So I just saw it that the most recommended one there is Bittrex, but they put low on Coin Tiger. So and the review on Play Store is not encouraging.
I mean, why do you want to buy that coin?
You said?
Why do you want to buy that coin?
No, it's not a coin, an exchanger, just like Binance. No, QLR. Someone suggested it to me. That was why.
I'm sorry, I have no idea.
Okay.
Yeah, brother, there's a few guys here from Nigeria also that will be able to help you out. So if you just hold on and ask, there might be some guys out there that can help you out.
Okay.
Yeah, that's better.
Because I
Your
said I switch
favorite
between
incentive.
Probit, KuCoin, and Binance.
Yeah, just hold up. There's definitely guys here. So if you don't get an
Okay.
answer now, just hold up. There's definitely gonna be
Okay.
someone out here that'll help you.
No problem.
This group, man, there's guys trading from all around the world, and they all have different ways and different strategies of how you can trade, or use apps in other countries. So whether that's using VPN or whatever, but
Okay.
there's always ways.
Okay.
And how are
Just
you,
what?
Raymond, man? I seen that you're here as well.
I'm good, bro. How are you too?
Nice. Good, man. Good. I'm just working, so I was just listening to the chat there. It's not always that I can talk, so.
I just woke up, so I'm now going through the chat. So a few minutes, I'll get back to you guys.
Nice. Nice to see you again, anyway, man.
Yeah, man.
Okay. Is this the Nigerian guy? Hello, my man from Nigeria. Are you there? Is it there? Is he online?
I'm online. Can you hear me?
Yeah, yes, sir. Okay, I'm from Nigeria, but I have problem with Bitrex. You know, this our valid ID card stuff.
Sure.
want-
I don't use Bittrex.
Huh?
I don't use Bittrex.
You know, I use Binance, I use Probit and KuCoin. But there is a coin I want to get, and it's only available on Bitrex. I don't know if you have any other exchanger, QLR.
What's the name of the coin?
QLR, Quantum. I'll get the full name. It's on Coin Market. Someone suggested the same way the person suggested HTR Hatter for me. So, and I keyed into it, and it's really, really a good project.
Show me your coins.
Huh?
No. What coin you talking about?
Okay, the name of the coin is Quantum Resistance Ledger.
I think the coin is only listed on Bittrex for now.
Yeah.
And it's BTC.
Also, Coin Tiger, but I don't know how reliable that app is. That's what I'm saying. A Chinese app, and also VNex Network.
I'd be worried about Chinese apps, man.
Yeah, I would personally not use that
Check the app, and I
exchange.
saw that some coin have been deactivated, like suspended. You cannot move out. It doesn't make sense.
So why don't you just use an exchange that everyone else uses?
Huh?
Why don't you use one of the valid exchanges like Binance?
That's what I'm using Binance. It's just that I want to get that, and I try to search it on KuCoin. It's not there.
Oh, that coin isn't on Binance, right?
QLR. Not.
What about like Uniswap or something?
You know this Uniswap with their gas fee.
Yeah, it's quite a lot.
That's the problem. In Nigeria, we like something that is quite affordable.
It's cheaper than being scammed.
crypto advisor.
Hello there.
NLP, can you mute the mic, please?
You can mute him. You know that.
Yes, I know.
Who is it? NLP? All right, I muted him. NLP, if you can hear me, just go push to talk instead of leaving your mic on with a World War II buzz.
Hi guys. Are you guys out there?
Yo, what's up, bro?
Cool, bro. What's up with you? I watched some of your videos yesterday. It's good.
Nice, bro.
Yeah.
I watched them too. Not
Now
all
I-
of them. A couple
now
of
I
them.
subscribe as well.
Yeah, they're daily. You don't need to watch all of them.
Looking at the chat this morning, I have two scenarios here that we should expect. So first of all, I'm posting a chat in the group. Then you guys should look at it and we talk about it. Okay.
Cool.
So first chat, yes, I posted it. Check it. Looking at the 1 hour, I can see some head and shoulders there forming. Look at it carefully, okay? So what we have to do right now, we should be able to take over the 20 moving average. If you look at the Bollinger Band, the middle one. If not so, we come down to touch the neckline of the head and shoulders, and it's at the same point if you look at the 1 hour to the 200 moving average, that is what is holding us as support now. If you move to 1 hour, put your 200 moving average. It matches the same place with the head and neckline of the head and shoulders. We should expect some bounce there, but if you fail, then maybe the head and shoulders is going to play out. And we still remain bullish because it will be the retest of the first inverse head and shoulders that we broke. We never retested it, if you remember.
Yeah, makes sense to me.
Yeah. So if you want to go up, I'm sure we'll drop a bit to the neckline, then maybe get some bounce there. Because if you look left, we have some kind of support resistance around those zones, which is the 48,282. But if you fail to bounce from there, then maybe we break down to the next level. And if you're not careful, the head and shoulders can play out. And if it plays out to the target is exactly the retest of the previous inverse head and shoulders. So we're still good for now. But if you continue upwards, we have to just break the box on the right. Look at, I drew some box on the right of the shoulders, or on the right shoulder. We need to break up. Yes, and have a nice week.
I said the orange box.
You do what?
The orange box that you drew?
No, not the white box. The one with the something like higher, higher, something like higher, high, low. The sign. I put some sign there on your right hand, the right shoulder. Look at the right shoulder on the 1 hour time frame. The three candles.
The orange one. Orange.
Yes, the orange box. Yes.
I got you. Okay.
So if you want to go up, that's what we have to do. Break that, have a retest there, then maybe you can continue a little bit higher. But if you fail to do that, maybe we'll test down. And we'll still remain bullish, because yesterday I said if you fall to 46,600, we are still bullish. So this is the two scenarios I'm looking at now. So let's keep our eye on next and see how all goes.
Thanks for sharing, Raymond. Thanks for sharing.
Welcome, bro. For me, until we break 46,600, I'm still holding my long. Until we break 46,600, still hold my long.
So breaking target is 48,600, right?
Yeah, do the same thing on your charts. You will see. I don't know I'm using Bybit. Maybe you are using Binance. So just open the chart 1 hour, then you draw the same boxes there around the head and shoulders. So you will see the available targets we have in case one of it plays out.
Did you send the chart on the group?
You missed it. Go again. I'm posting it. Check it.
Oh, okay.
Ready? Okay,
Yeah,
check
ready.
it. Check it.
Thank you, man. You are a lifesaver, man. Oh.
All right, I'm gonna bounce and make a video. Peace out, guys.
Okay. When you post it.
All right, man. Take care.
Safe. I'll be back after. That's cool.
Okay.
Bye.
And don't forget, for the head and shoulders too, if we break down, we'll still go back for a retest again to confirm that really it's going to play out. So we should expect if we break down, we should expect a bounce back to touch the break points and maybe look for double top or maybe more weeks there or something to show the sign of rejection, then which means it's going to play out. We can break down and sharply go back inside again. So keep an eye on those. They are important. At the 48,282 on Bybit.
On Bybit, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Almost same in Binance also.
Because I was expecting this retest since yesterday. The time we broke the inverse head and shoulders, we never retested it. I was expecting that since yesterday, but never clear. So Don't know if it will come or maybe it will continue.
I hope it will continue to break out.
No, if you even test it, it's good. If
Yeah,
you
yeah,
even test it,
yeah, it's
if you
good. It
even
can be
test it,
healthy.
that will give us 100% sure that this inverse head and shoulders is confirmed. It's going to play out, and the target will take us somewhere. The target will take us somewhere 52. Understand? Sometimes we can break inverse head and shoulder without retesting, and we still go up. But to be 100% sure, maybe if you are not in a long already, then you will keep an eye at the neckline so that you can retake a long from there. Well, we look good.
47 is the head and shoulders.
Yes, around the yes. So, you know, sometimes we can rig down and come back up fast. You can't target the main end, you know.
Yeah.
Raymond, do you still think that we're going to hit the 46,500 and bounce back?
The 46,600. Yeah, it's a key level. It's a strong support. So I expect something like that. If you look left, just look left, you will see we have some more bounces around this area.
Right now we are in a falling wedge in the hourly. Is it right or no?
1 hour. Let me check. Yes.
Yeah, we could fall. We could fall to the 46, and then we could bounce from there. I don't know.
Yeah.
Maybe.
And if you even look at the golden ratios, the golden ratio multiplier, that's the key support, the 46,800. Between 46,800.
Yeah.
That is what you should be expecting.
Do you think it's a good loan from there if we got the confirmation of going back?
Yes. I'm very sure. Yeah. If we get to those zones, if we get there, we will just look at the candles. What happens there? If you have more buyers there, then we'll see the.
Because if we fail to bounce back, it's gonna be a very, very huge fall back to the 42. I think.
Yes. You don't have to lose there. That's why I said I'm still holding my long until we break 46,600.
Yeah, good decision.
Yes, if you break 46,600, I will sit my long.
Yeah. Okay, thanks.
Welcome, bro.
Raymond Nakamoto.
Hello, hello. Raymond, are you here?
Yeah.
I will write the chat because I'm at work.
Hmm?
Please check the chat.
You put something in the chat or to me direct.
So just post it in the chat.
In the group or to me?
No, group.
To the group. Okay, let me see.
I can send you a direct message if you want.
Yeah, the messages are plenty here, so send me direct. Let me see what we are talking about.
Hi, Raymond. Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Oh, thank you very much. I don't know if you remember me from yesterday, but I got on entry level at 46,498 on BTC thanks to you.
Can you please
And I
hold on for me
appreciate that.
a moment? I'm coming. I'm talking to someone. Give me a minute, okay? I'll get back to you right now, please.
Thank you much. I appreciate that.
Aloha. Why is everybody so quiet? Waiting for the next candle, 1 o'clock?
If Raymond is quiet, it's time to buy.
Oh, good. Sounds good. Happy purchasing.
Now we are all just waiting.
I just got here, so I'm like, oh, now it's like crazy going on in here. I was here last night. It was so funny. But I haven't really looked at the chart, but now it's a candle. I don't even know what I was like 4 hours busy with other things, and I feel like I missed out on what the situation is. How is okay. Well.
Hi, Mr. Frank.
Hey, hello. How are you today?
I'm fine. How are you too?
I'm good, Raymond. Just looking at my charts here. What's going on?
Yeah, going sideways a bit, so let's be patient. If you have some movie, keep watching some movie.
Yeah. I think it's gonna be like 2-3 days like this, and then we know 24-hour. What do you call it? The 24-hour day cycle. So we know a little bit. It's gonna take a few days until you know where the baby is going.
Maybe to TC will decide quicker or faster.
Yeah.
I posted some chat earlier on. I don't know if you had a look at it and see.
24 days.
NLP education. Are you there? NLP, are you there?
Yes, I'm here. Thank you. Appreciate that.
Go ahead, please, with your question then.
Oh, thanks. No, I just wanted to thank you because I'm new to this, and you helped me yesterday. Got into an entry at 46,498, and I'm doing very well. I'm up to like 15.36%.
Wow. Happy for you. Happy for you.
Yeah, and I'm very, very new to this. So I just wanted to help and thank you for that. I'm usually listening to it. For some reason, my mic got shut down by administrator. I don't know why. So I sent a message and they cleaned it up. So I just wanted you to know that. Okay.
Thank you.
It can happen. It's good you have that contact. The boot sometimes, or the bot sometimes make mistake. You know, happened to me too.
Okay.
It can happen.
Okay, so right now I'm still here on this. We're sitting at 4,900, and what's our next resistance above?
50. I think the 50 daily level.
50 what?
One is the 50. Wherever did we drop from recently? Is it 53 or something? Not 53, 50,300 or something.
But isn't the resistance now called for the next 3 days also this equal support?
Hold up.
So then we should stay here at with that long.
50,169.
50,169. Okay.
I mean, that's, give or take that area.
Sorry guys for interrupting. I have a question. I see my wallet and Cardano going to 0. It's a network problem.
Cardano just had a gigantic pump recently, so it's just cooling off.
Chris, you want another roasting?
What's up, man?
Hey, man, how are you?
Oh. Hey, what's up, guys? Hey, NLP, are you there?
Yes, I'm here. Yes.
You said that you contacted an administrator for this channel?
Well, what I did was, I'm new to this, so when my mic was shut down by an administrator, I went into my chat group and I looked at the group and I sent messages to the administrators. And then they called me back and they said they unmuted my microphone. So, because I explained what happened.
Administrator. I think we've all been kind of wondering who manages this channel.
It's the guy Hamilton, isn't it? Hamilton, isn't it?
Hamilton.
Yes, correct. Hamilton.
I have the privilege to do that.
Yeah.
He's a nice guy, English guy who trades out of Thailand.
Okay, he was very nice, and immediately did it right away. So I'm really thankful for that. How I did it is I went to the Moon group, and on the 3 dots, I got in there and I looked at the profile, and I saw the group there, so I sent a message from there. That's how I got it.
He was in here the other day asking questions about Johnny Boy, whether he should be banned or not.
Okay, so apparently they're very good about doing their job, and I'm very thankful for that. But it's called Hamilton Bitcoin.
Yeah, that's right.
Thank you for...
Why, apprehensive? You want to be an admin?
No, I was just wondering, man, because, this place is like the wild, wild west at times, man. It's out of control. And then sometimes people are muted, and I don't understand how they get muted. And then you got other people that are just out of control and they never get muted. It's just really weird. So I was just wondering.
Yeah, apparently they were like...
Last night was wild.
Johnny Boy to like Ayush, who actually gives some information and then get back off Big Boys and everyone's mum and...
Last night was crazy. There was Johnny Boy here and a gentleman from India. It was crazy, man.
Yeah.
I don't know if
think they
anybody
find it
was
funny
here with
too.
me. I'm in German time, so it was crazy going, man, crazy. Like
It's
the
a
Wild West,
miracle
like
that
you
I'm not
said, the
banned
Wild
yet.
Wild West. Like don't have your 12-year-old daughter walking by when these guys go at it. It's crazy.
No.
Yeah, I was wondering if that was allowed, but I didn't. I usually just sit there and listen to and see what I can learn from you guys. So, but it was pretty bad.
Some really, really smart people in this channel that share their knowledge and take their time, and then you have that riffraff kind of ruin it. So,
yes,
I know, man. I totally agree, bro. But when is it become like a group that's so boring? It's just like bland. But I hear you, man.
No,
Samuel, were you here last night?
Yeah, he was here last night.
He's always in here. He's got no life. He just comes in and wants attention,
yeah, sorry, I didn't mean to derail the conversation. We can focus back on the charts and Bitcoin and ETH. I was just about that. Apologies.
That's
Derail was a good word.
It's crazy. Is that? Yeah, because I've heard so much about Johnny Boy, and I mistook him as John Boy, with a bear.
No.
Different people, man. Very, very different people.
I know it's childish, but I'm sorry, he is funny sometimes, man. AI, did you see ENJ blew up as much as cake when the boom was happening?
Yeah, that thing blew up, man. It was funny.
Nice,
I bought
innit?
some more the night before.
Oh, nice. Good work.
Oh, yo, guys, by the way, Dot is doing really, really well right now.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, it is. I got some more of that last night, too.
Well, I just want you guys to know that if you ever need any help with anything personal, I'm a personal coach. I've been doing this for about 30 years, and I'm here to help anybody who might want to do that. And just give me a shot, and I'll be glad to help you.
Where are you, NLP?
I'm at Costa Rica.
Oh, nice.
I have been doing this for about 30 years, the coaching, and I don't advertise anywhere. I do it on a one-to-one basis. I have over 187,000 people in 38 countries. So, if you guys ever run into something that you want to deal with, you're happy to, be happy to call if you call. Okay, thanks.
Appreciate it.
Hey. What's up? Connect. How you guys doing?
Doing good. How are you doing?
I'm all right, man. Just trying to avoid all the scam coins out there.
Yeah, and how's the family too?
Everyone's good, man. How about you? How's your family, man?
We are doing great, bro.
That's good news, man. That's good news. I'm just thinking about, did you break the pump last night? That's why it's not pumping up this morning.
Yeah, I think his family's tired. He had his family out there pumping Bitcoin last night, too.
God damn it. They're doing it in sequence. One pumps this side and the other one pumps that side on the bellows, and they got to make sure that it just keeps going up. But for some reason, their bellow must have popped after all of that effort.
He's hurting him out the door.
How
This
are
4-hour candle has to close above 49.
God damn it! Pump now! We need a meme for that, guys. You got to find a meme and put it in the group, man.
Hey, Morad, how you doing?
I'm all right, guys. How about yourself?
Looks good. Have you been last night in the channel?
No.
Yeah.
I was in the channel last night when it pumped up to like what was the price up when it passed 50,000.
Yeah.
And then I was just like, go to bed,
Yeah.
But before then, go ahead.
No, I just was telling the guys that when Johnny Boy was there and the gentleman from India when it was been all crazy. Where you did you listen to this?
Apprehensive, check your PM. Wednesday, check your PM.
Okay. Crazy. Anyway, just want to say hi.
Hey, hi, man.
Murad,
Yeah,
you just came in, so look at this chat on your PM.
thanks, man. Checking out.
So what we have to do in that case is just pay attention to this green box because previous resistance becomes new support. Remember, we have resistance from back here on this green resistance box. It should now act as support. This is one of the first rules in technical analysis. Whatever acted as resistance previously will now act as support. And there is another reason why we are.
That's what I wanted to say. So he said previous resistance will now act as a support. So that's the green
Murad, you can
box.
check it.
Yeah, that makes sense, though. That actually makes all sense.
Yeah, by 49,000. So
checking out, dude.
Yo, guys, there's a really good indicator Kathleen showed us a bit ago called Viper. That it shows some resistances on the chart really well.
Are you talking
It's actually very positive, to be honest with you guys, man. I saw the chart, Raymond. It's actually very positive, even in the short term. Even if it goes down a bit, it's still very positive. And it goes up, it's just gonna rock it off.
Yes.
I don't see negatives at the moment, guys. I just see like right now it's consolidating sideways because it needs to bring the RSI down. It needs to bring the MACD into place, and then it's just going to take off to the next, the next bull run. Hopefully, that's what I see. But maybe I'm just, pumped up. Too much positive energy. Too much money being made or Bitcoin being made. my altcoins, man. I'm just so like I woke up this morning and my Bitcoin's gone up, and I'm just like, yes, that's what I want to see. Are you there?
I'm there.
But I don't know, it's about being sustained. That's the thing. How's your scalping going, Raymond?
Since we are bullish on BTC, don't have any problem on those altcoins.
That's
Yeah,
big
you guys,
news, man. That is
seriously, check out the W on that on the 4 hour. It's insane.
What's going on?
Discutăm despre date. Dacă nu fac abonament și îți dau datele, ți le descarc eu, știi? Plătesc un abonament pe o lună, de exemplu.
As sexy as you sound, mute your mic, please.
Yo, Daniel, can you mute your mic, please?
Mute your mic.
I get a lot of selling pressure.
Hey, man.
Hey, dude. That's what you guys were talking about tomorrow.
Pardon? Can you hear me?
Hey.
Yeah, go ahead. I can hear you now. Go ahead. Sorry, man.
Guys, last night we were talking about tomorrow night.
Yeah, that was the RSI that our friend gave us. I haven't really checked it properly. I tested it, but it was called the what was the name of it? Yeah, the one green candle RSI by Kalman. So if you just type in K for kite, A for apple, L for llama, M for mother, A for apple, N for November. That's and then space RSI in the indicator search.
Thanks, dude. Is that on TradingView?
That's on TradingView, yeah.
Thanks, man.
Dude, what's going on, man? It's just taking a little bit of a dive in the 1 minute.
Good morning from Argentina.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good yourself?
Good morning. Good morning.
How you doing, Salmonella, man? Salmonella, how you doing, man?
What was that name of the indicator? Good morning, Mario.
Salmonella, how you doing, bro? You gone quiet.
What was the name of the indicator in TradingView you were talking about? K something?
Yeah, Kalman RSI. It's no, not that one, dude. It's Kalman, Kalman. So K for it's called one green candle. Kalman RSI. I'll just put it in the group. Makes it a bit easier. Let me see.
Okay, thanks a lot. Appreciate it.
Dude, no problem, man. How's that, guys? I shared it in the group an image. Can you see it?
Okay. What was your name?
Morad, M-O-R-A-D.
Okay, I look for it. Thanks.
No problem, man. I think it's like the fourth one from the newest.
Yeah, I got it. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it.
Apprehensive AI. Apprehensive AI. Everyone's gone to see their charts, man.
No, I'm here. I'm reading something really quick, actually. I'm knee deep.
Oh, sorry,
We're
dude.
listening.
No, you're good. You're good.
It's just the ENJ, man. It's a beauty, man. And the GRT.
Yeah, I think I just found my next research project.
As in a research project at university or something that you're interested in just in general?
No, just another altcoin.
Come on, tell me, man.
I need a minute. I need a little bit. Give me a second. It's not mine.
Hello.
Hello, can you hear me? Hello.
Hello,
boys. Oh,
Carrasco.
hello, guys. How are you?
How are you too?
5 seconds before your mic goes out again. How you doing, man? Your TA is on point. His TA is amazing, Raymond, man.
Yeah. I respect him for that, man.
But now, whenever he sends it now, it's like so many lines on the screen. You
So
know he's really deep in the TA.
yeah, you have to clean your chat. You have to be cleaning your chat. Okay.
Who are we to demand anything from Carrasco? Carrasco should demand from us, man.
Now he is the OG of multiplier, the golden ratio multiplier. He is
Like
the
he's
OG
even
now.
like he's got one. Each screenshot he gives you even the golden multiplier at different time frames, which is very useful, man. That's very useful because that's the problem when you move from time frame to time frame, you
Very
can't see
smart,
them. You know, genius.
You see, when you devote your time for something, definitely you are going
Yeah,
to
but
get what you want. Yeah.
an indicator that would be really good. The indicator that would be really good would be one where it shows all the time frames, the golden ratios at all the time frames. Does that make sense? But just color codes them according to the time frame. I think we need to think about that.
You have to do that manually, the way Corusco is doing. I don't think we have.
Yeah, he's doing amazing. That's why I'm trying to say if they could automate it for him, it'd be much more easier as well for him.
So that if you just put the indicator, that's why it will bring everything out for you.
We've passed most of the resistance, haven't we?
Let's check the chart. Oh, GRT is mooning, guys. Have a look at GRT.
Yeah, that's one of my biggest holdings.
How's Dot doing, guys, by the way?
It's good.
It's all right, man. And ADA, I wouldn't touch that at the moment, would I? It's not a good idea to look at that in terms of investing into it.